Those who aimed for IAS before 2011 will agree with me. In the pre-exam, it was always the optional that made or marred their attempt. Between 2011 to 2014, those who appeared for this exam, they know that it was CSAT that see through their prelim exam. But 2014 onwards, my heart bleeds, because now you have to qualify your prelim only on the basis of general studies, whose panorama is something that cannot be defined. Now the question is, how can you even think of having a crash course for general studies and then qualify the exam? So my plan here is to make you understand that we always need a comprehensive preparation program, so that in at least 5 to 6 months we not just cover the entire syllabus, we revise it thoroughly and we sit for some comprehensive test series and then find ourselves prepared for the exam. To know more, let's meet again in a webinar very soon. Thank you.